Today, we're diving into a delightful British idiom: to have your finger in too many pies. Now, this doesn't mean you actually sticking your finger into a bunch of pies. It means being involved in too many activities or projects at once. Imagine you are at a village fair and there are all these lovely pies. You want a taste of each one, so you end up with your finger in too many pies. Sounds tasty, but in real life, it means you're spreading yourself too thin. For instance, let's talk about Sarah. Sarah is a busy bee. She's volunteering at the local animal shelter, taking evening classes in French, organizing the school's charity bake sale, and trying to launch her own online shop. She's got her finger in too many pies. Poor Sarah. She's doing so many things that she can't give her best to any of them. The lesson here, while it's great to be involved and enthusiastic, sometimes it's better to focus on a few things and do them well, rather than having your finger in too many pies. Here are some more examples. John's trying to run a marathon, write a novel, and learn to play the guitar all at the same time. No wonder he's exhausted. He's got his finger in too many pies. At work, Emily is part of 5 different project teams. She's always running around like a headless chicken because she's got her finger in too many pies. So next time you're tempted to take on too much, remember this idiom. Focus on what matters most and give it your all. And maybe, just maybe, leave a few pies for others to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with British English idioms.